Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SEP IRA contributions for tax savings, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure SEP IRA contributions for tax savings, start by understanding what a SEP IRA is. A SEP IRA, or Simplified Employee Pension Individual Retirement Account, is designed for small business owners and self-employed individuals. Next, gather all necessary documentation regarding your business income and expenses. Calculate your net earnings from self-employment. This will be the basis for determining your contribution limits. Remember, for 2023, you can contribute up to 25% of your net earnings. If you're self-employed, you'll need to account for the self-employment tax when calculating contributions. Use the IRS Form 1040 Schedule C to report your business income. Once you've calculated your net earnings, decide on the contribution amount you want to make. Ensure your contributions align with the IRS thresholds to maximize tax benefits. Next, set up your SEP IRA account through a bank, credit union, or online brokerage. Fill out the necessary forms to establish your SEP IRA. After the account is set up, make your contributions by the tax filing deadline. Keep accurate records of your contributions for tax purposes. Consider scheduling contributions regularly for consistent tax savings. It's important to consult with a tax advisor to ensure your contributions meet IRS guidelines. Review your contributions annually to adjust for changes in income or tax laws. Finally, stay informed about updates to the SEP IRA regulations to optimize your tax saving strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.